Hi, this is Firestarter, and this is my review of the SH Figuarts Kamen Rider Fourze Cosmic States. And just a quick tour on the box. We have a blue box with Kamen Rider Fourze Cosmic States here, and on top, and just giving you a quick look on the sides, Cosmic States, and some features like the Nuggegyroika. It came with the set, and let's take this one apart and let's take a look what's inside, so we'll know more if he is worth it or not. First, what we have is the Nuggegyroika in 3 modes, which is the food mode, the Roid mode, and the carry mode. And of course, it's not complete without the chain of nuggets trolling with the set. Each design is unique, and 2 of which has a switch on top, but it's already embedded and you cannot take this one out of the mode. And some of the accessories that is identified with Kamen Rider Fourze Cosmic States, we have 6 hands, and an on and off switch for the BarizunSword, and for the Fourze driver, the actual BarizunSword, a longer blade, and a blank slot for the Fourze driver. To know which switch goes to which accessory, just remember if it has a switch at the bottom or at the base. This is definitely for the Fourze driver. And then the other one that doesn't have one, it's for the BarizunSword. The BarizunSword has a few gimmicks on its own, one of which is a lever that you can move from side to side, and at the tip, both halves open to reveal the blade. But in this mode, you have to replace the tip with a longer version of the blade. Just note, only the cosmic switch fits on the area near the handle, and if you try to use other switches, it just doesn't work. And say hello to Cosmic States. And I just brought in LX States because I just want to compare the Fourze driver. For Cosmic States, we have a more purplish mold to it, or application to it, rather than LX States, which has a more bluish, light bluish, translucent color to it. So there's a slight difference between the Fourze driver and Cosmic States. It seems like it doesn't, the slot here, which I already placed, doesn't match the color with the rest of the parts here for the Fourze driver. So I'm not so sure why it went that way, but it's a slight nuisance to know that this happened to Cosmic States. And then Articulation Point would be the same thing as Kamen Rider Fourze in other forms. Yeah, you have all the joints and some things that you have seen already with my other reviews. And then the only hindrance that I can see here is this area here, this accent here for Cosmic States, because you can move the arm sideways, but it doesn't really go far when you move this one to the front. But here's the thing, these accents here has a hinge, or it's on a, I think it's on a ball joint, so you can still swivel that just a bit to raise those hands in 90-degree over, like so. But once it reaches its max, it stays that way forever, so you can't really raise Kamen Rider Fourze's hand. But there's always a way, like this way. See, can still raise both hands without any issue, but you have to go other way rather than going this counterclockwise. So that's a slight issue with the hindrances between Kamen Rider Fourze Cosmic States with other forms. If you have 20/20 vision, you can see all the numbers printed on the chest here, and how it is formed. It looks like a table of elements. I haven't seen comments that says the chest looks like a table of elements, but from seeing from this angle, or seeing this one up close, it looks like the table of elements. It's just me. And that's all about Kamen Rider Fourze, and I'll give you my 2 cents right now. As the 8th Kamen Rider Fourze character that has been released for the SH Figuarts line, I see no huge faults nor problems on the articulation points, the number of accessories, and the possibilities for this figure. Well fitting for Kamen Rider Fourze's ultimate form. If you have a chance to pick this one up, please do so, because this is one of those memorable forms in Kamen Rider Fourze history, especially on the ending parts of the series. So if you want to know the possibilities for this figure, always check out the photos at the end of the video, and always subscribe to my blogspot and all the links that you can see below at the description page for more toy reviews. This is Firestarter. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next review.